Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play on Steam. First, you'll need to download and install the Steam client on your computer. This free application is the gateway to your gaming experience. Once installed, either create a new Steam account, which is completely free, or simply log in if you already have one. With your account ready, you can then explore the vast library of thousands of games available for purchase and download. After finding a game you want, add it to your shopping cart. Steam offers many secure payment options, making purchases straightforward. Once your purchase is complete, the game will appear in your Steam library. From there, simply click the Install button. You can select where on your computer you'd like the game files to be stored, typically requiring several gigabytes of free space. To start playing, just click on the game in your library and hit play. Steam automatically handles updates, ensuring you always have the latest version. Many games support Steam Cloud, which saves your progress online, allowing you to play from different computers without losing data. If you need to free up disk space, uninstalling games is a simple process through the client. Steam is more than just a game launcher. It's a vibrant community. You can add friends, chat, and join groups for your favorite games. The Steam Workshop offers thousands of user-created modifications and content. Plus, features like the in-game overlay let you browse the web or chat without leaving your game. You can also trade virtual items on the Steam Marketplace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.